Today we're going to be swapping out a key fob, and this is something that eventually, if you keep your vehicle long enough, it's something you're going to have to do. This one here, you can see it's got a lot of wear. The buttons are all wore off, and it's falling apart, obviously. So we're going to be changing this out for a new case. And we picked this up on eBay. It's pretty much an exact replica of what you get from the factory, except for this cover. This cover is going to be going away. What we're going to do is we're going to keep the original case cover here with the bow tie on it, make it look as much original as possible. The one that we have also has these chrome tabs that cover up the edges, and this one has these molded in here. We're gonna do away with that. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is flip it over, and this is pretty much across the board with anything with this style remote. So your Suburbans, your Tahoes, the Yukons, Silverado, Sierras, they all have the same type remote for the 2014 through 2018 model years. First thing you want to do is go in here with a small screwdriver and just pop that cover off just like that. Now the battery would normally be in here. I've already taken the battery out. So we're just gonna also, you can come in here. This, like I said, this one's broke apart, so what you would need to do is go in the end here and just pry that open, pry that apart. They come apart pretty easily. This top does. This is our board here. We're going to want to set that to the side. Now, if you'll notice, when you get your new one, you will not have your battery prongs. The new one, they're not in there. Okay, you'll have to install that yourself. It comes with it. You just want to lay that in there exactly like your other one is. You shouldn't have any issues. It goes in fairly easy. There's a, I don't know if you can see this or not, there's a little wall in there that this is going to slide into. Just like so. And we're going to take our new board, or our old board, put it into our new key fob. Just like this. Make sure that is lined up the way it should be. It should go in just like this right here. This black LST right here, that stands for little square thing. That's what that is. That little square thing there needs to be at the bottom. You just want to line that up just like this. Then we can go ahead and lay this on here. Notice I don't have the battery in there yet. The battery has to go in from the back. We're just going to put that on, snap it into place. Just like so. Now, same as before, we're just going to go back in here, pop this open. There's your access for your battery. Your battery's going to go in with the plus side up. Just like that. Now, it's always a good idea to test these because before you put these on, you want to test your remote. And I can see outside the window of the house here that it is working. The one that I ordered here actually came with, these are plastic. These chrome pieces are actually plastic. A lot of these are metal. And if you buy the ones with the metal clips, once you put them on here, they don't come back off without breaking something. So make sure you test it before you put them on. They snap right on just like that. This one snaps on just like that. And then we're going to take our original cover and we're going to snap it in place. And that is it. I picked this up on eBay. I think I give like $8 for it. And as you can see, much better quality, or just as good quality as the original GM issued key fob. So yeah, pretty simple. Just take your time. The biggest thing I like to stress is if you're going to do things yourself, just take your time and do it correctly. If you don't know what you're doing, or you think you're going to have issues, it's a good idea to just pay someone else to do it, guys.